Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an email questioning how would be a quicker way off of a video I made today, or maybe yesterday, about how to make this black line not cut. And I did it with under Docker, under Object Manager, and I put that black rectangle up into the guide, and it's a non-printing area, so it will not print and actually turned it blue. So two ways to do this is to do that first and then make your duplicates, Control D, and make your duplicates of all your name badges, and you can make as many name badges as you want. Let's see, we'll make it 1.5 now on our nudge factor, and we'll make a duplicate and we'll move them down, and you could have that many. And then when you go to Object Manager, those red rectangles are in your cutting, but under your guide or your black, or now they're blue. There's your rectangles that are non-cutting. So you can do that, or let's do it another way. Let's X this out. Let's change. Well, let's just delete that, and we'll just make another rectangle and go up to Effects and Contour. I did it 1.5. So now we got the same thing. We need to go to Object and break the curve apart. So let's say you forgot to do what I just did. Let's set our nudge factor back on 3.8. So let's say you forgot to put them under the guides at first. And let's go ahead and do, I forgot what the measurement was, but we'll go ahead and make some duplicates. And now you go to Object Manager, and under Docker and Object Manager, and you open up this layer, and you've got a whole slew of black rectangles and a whole slew of red. Well, the easiest way to select all those rectangles, and you can see the top one is actually the last one, would be to grab the top rectangle, select it, holding down the Shift key, and grab the last one, and then move them up to the guide that easily. And now they've turned them all blue. They will not cut, and the other rectangles will. So that's setting up a name tag where you have some guidance. And if you haven't watched the first couple of videos on centering, we're using this blue rectangle for a guide to stay off the edges and to center the text. Anyway, so I hope it answered their question, and thank you for watching.